Okay, we got a quick review of the Akk X2 Ultimate. It has 0.01 milliwatt pit mode, switchable power output via smart audio through Betaflight OSD or with a button on the board. It has 25, 200, 600, and 1000 milliwatt output. It has a 5-volt out for your FPV camera under 500 milliamp. And a wide range input voltage, 7 to 26 volt. Button on board to select frequency, band, and power output. MMCX antenna plug. Microphone to listen to your motor sounds through your goggles. LED display for channel frequency and power output. No more reading LED codes. 6-pin plug. Alright, let's see what comes in the box here. This is also the US version, so channels 5645, 5925, 5945 are all restricted and unable to select it due to FCC regulations. Alright, it comes here with an MMCX to SMA pigtail and a 6-pin plug to a 4-pin with a JST connector for your power and ground, which can obviously be clipped off and directly soldered. Alright, we're going to get some weights here. Just the unit alone is 7.07 grams. With pigtail is 11.63. All together with wire and everything is 13.19. Let's get some dimensions. 32.19 tall, 22.31 wide, 7.89 thick. Alright, that'll do it. See y'all guys later.